Wait, you're already here? So let's unbox the new Legami calendar. I'm so happy. I have it. It's like so pretty. I think I don't can open it like this. Open. Oh, let's try with this. Open. I told you. Wait. I told you. So now I watch and it's like this. Wait, like this and like this. That's so cool. And right here's the secret Legami. But I'm not gonna watch it. I will unbox it for you later. I will like open every day one and I will show it to you. So yeah, my mom said that that's very pretty, so the Legami is very pretty. But I'm not gonna watch it right now. I will watch it on the 24th of December. So yeah, that was very pretty Advent calendar 2025, but I want to see it, but I don't can to. So, what, are you there? Bye!